Welcome to Live in and as Light messages. These messages are from Divine Source Universe. I've been guided to share these with you. These are eternal and timeless. Whenever you come across this message, it is meant for you. Take whatever resonates with you and trust your intuition at all the time. This is Akanksha. Please like, comment, share, follow, subscribe wherever you're watching this. This is like an energy exchange, and let's keep the energy of knowledge, of light, and love flowing. Our first message today is the crumbling. What are you clinging to? There's a shift happening right now where anything inauthentic can no longer survive. Relationships, jobs, social structures, anything built on shaky ground is destined to tumble down. It is happening to bring you back home to who you truly are, both individually and to society as a whole. So you can live a life that is in alignment with who you truly are. When you are in the thick of it, it can feel like a personal attack from the universe. Have faith, because the difficult times will be your defining moments. You will be reborn in the fire. You're being called to surrender, to stop trying to hold it all together, to loosen your grip, to let the crumbling occur. It may be difficult at first. In the end, the sooner you let go, the sooner the rebirthing will occur. What are you trying to hold together? What are you trying to best avoid? How are you trying to pretend that everything is okay? You have what it takes to allow what is falling away to tumble and fall. Once the tower has crumbled, you will be able to rebuild your home on a solid ground with mighty foundations and a view that is so magnificent that it will take your breath away each new morning. Kali, the goddess of destruction, and the Black Madonna are with you now. Lay it all on their altar. They can hold it all. And this is an inquiry card, and the inquiry is, what are you clinging to for fear of nothing coming to take its place? So you will experience some tower moments, and these tower moments can be difficult because this is like a death of old version of yourself, and in a way you are reborn. It is like an ego death. It is the death of all stories that you've been telling yourself about yourself, and it is the death of all that is inauthentic. This is an alignment with the authentic you, with your soul, and that is why in spiritual awakening you experience tower moments. So this is an inquiry that what are you clinging to? What do you need to let go of? Our second message today is, all things are lessons God would have me learn. It takes great learning to understand that all things, events, encounters, and circumstances are helpful. So at the moment you may think, why is this thing happening? Why is that thing happening? And there may be immense difficulties and challenges, but these are the experiences that help your soul expand and grow. And we all are here to learn and grow. Life is happening for you, not to you. These are the messages for today. Lots of love.